stop guessing on why RSR remains inactive in your games. This is exactly how you beat it, without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you to just toggle the button in Command Center and pray, which is a total waste of time and won't actually trigger the upscaler. Before we change any settings, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck with a blurry 720p image and no performance boost. We are doing this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail this optimization. Here at Rexist, we are the authority on ROG Ally performance and fixing these broken AMD features. The reason your RSR is showing as inactive is that it requires a specific handshake between your desktop resolution and your in-game settings that the software often misses. You might think turning it on is enough, but RSR only breathes life when the game resolution is strictly lower than your display resolution. Here is the secret trick that other creators missed. If you're using borderless windowed mode, RSR will stay inactive unless you manually enable borderless full screen inside the AMD Adrenalin software under the specific game profile. To fix it right now, set your Ally's Command Center resolution to 1080p, then open your game and set the internal resolution to 720p or 900p. You must ensure the game is set to exclusive full screen for the driver to take control. If the green checkmark still doesn't appear in the AMD overlay, restart the game after the resolution change to lock it in. If you want the secret to enabling AFMF2 for even higher frame rates, tell me in the comments right now. The answer is to always match your Windows resolution to 1080p and let the RSR driver handle the heavy lifting from 720p up.